In this video today, I am just going to do a quick video on my latest Stitch Fix box because I haven't done one of these for a while and I do get Stitch Fix occasionally still. I thought you might want to see what I got in my latest box, what I'm keeping, what I'm not keeping, coming up. So the first item I tried on was a blouse, which is absolutely gorgeous. And I won't leave you in suspense, it is a keeper. So it's slightly see-through, but I can get around that by changing my underwear underneath, wearing a camisole. And if we're going to wear it loose, which I wouldn't wear it loose. It's going to show, it's see-through enough to show, say, a darker pair of jeans underneath. You can see that. But I'm not going to wear it like that. I would wear it tucked in, front tucked, fully tucked, and so on. So this blouse is one, it's not a Stitch Fix own brand, and I believe at this particular moment in time, if you're interested in this blouse, I can list it down below for you separately from the brand. I'm also showing you here, I've recently had my colours done. That's another video, another topic. However, in my colours, you can see the slight purpley burgundy does appear in my new colour palette. Perfect match. So I thought, yes, this one I'm keeping. I will get around the slightly see-through aspect of it just by wearing a cami, tucking it in, and using lighter underwear underneath. So that's the blouse. Now, while I've got the blouse on, I did try a pair of jeans they sent through. I do like getting jeans from Stitch Fix because being 5'2", if I buy jeans from the high street that I'm hunting for or online, they're generally too long. Stitch Fix have got my measurements, and pretty well all the jeans I've had from them do fit me lengthwise, which is a bonus at 5'2". However, these ones are low rise, and I am absolutely not buying, even though they are current and on trend at the moment. They do not suit me whatsoever. They do not emphasize the waist. They make me feel like I'm Wallace, or is it Gromit? It's Wallace in the wrong trousers. You know, they're there as a piece of, I feel like they are a piece of mechanical machinery that I'm then walking around inside. They just sit on my hips. I mean, they're just wrong. They're just wrong. So the jeans are going back for that reason, not because of the length, but you can see, yep, they're not great on me. And I think probably most people, they're not really great on. Then really, why have we got low rise back? I've said it before, why? Anyway, I did not keep the jeans. So next item, cardigan. Now they did show this on they do allow you to pick up to 5 items. They'll send you what they think they'll send you. You go through on the website, say whether you want them to send that or don't send that. And then for the quantity of items you've rejected, they'll then send you replacement items. Now I did say I'd like to try this cardigan after the stylist had picked it because I thought it was a nice long line neutral coloured cardigan. However, it is so thick and fluffy and big, it didn't really suit my frame, and you know, now being sort of like a size 8, it was just a bit too big and bulky for me. So I felt I was going to be even around I don't need a cardigan like this around the house. I've got plenty of old cardigans I'm going to wear around the house, and this is not a cardigan I was going to wear out because it's too unflattering to my body shape. So I returned the cardigan. Then there is a jumper sweater. I loved the sweater. Beautiful ivory colour, gorgeous stripe down the arm. A real statement sweater, but it itched. I've said before about wool and so on, and some fabrics just make me itch. It made me itch, and I thought, I just won't. If I had it in my wardrobe, however much I love it and love the design, I am not going to pick that to wear out. I'm not going to, because of the comfort level on me. So that was a return. So 3 items out of the 5 they sent me, I returned. But Stitch Fix is so easy to return because you don't pay for those items until you've actually decided to keep them. So those 3 items I hadn't paid for. Just put them back in the box they came in, which is economic from an environmental and recycling point of view. The labels provided for return, just pop it to the post office, over the counter, boom, get a receipt, no payment. for postage. Done. So 3 items went back. What else did I keep? This blouse. I am loving this green at the moment. I'm loving this green. I've got a jumper in this colour, as you know. And if we look at my colour chart now from my recent colours analysis, we can see this colour is in my charts. So that is great, a win. I've got a blouse similar to this already in a rusty colour, and I like the slightly cap sleeves on it, and it's going to look great under jackets, but beautiful colour, look great without jacket. Love it. I found it very complimentary to me. So I think the 2 blouses are fantastic. Jeans, we've been there. Low rise, that was the problem with them. They were low rise. And jumper, itched. Cardigan was just too bulky. That was my recent Stitch Fix box. Down below the items that you can buy separately online, and I will also link down below, or show down below my link that will enable you to get a discount off your first box of Stitch Fix. And this is not a sponsored video, not gifted. This is me as an individual, having purchased the box myself, can give you a code. In just the same way as when you get a box, you can give your friends a code. Right, now I'll see you all in an outfit, perhaps wearing one of the blouses.